What's up, boys? We're currently working. We're gonna do us a nice market review for last week and chart some levels for this coming week. Don't think I'll be trading tomorrow or Wednesday or Thursday, but we'll talk about that more later. But until then, let's get into this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you like the content as usual. Peace. Stocks did this past week, so we'll start off with NQ. Let's get into the chart. There's a 5-minute. I was showing my friend how to show some structure plays. I drew these two lines. It's like it's going to either break out to the upside or downside. What do you know? Boom, bounced it, and I've been riding it since. So if I would have entered, it would have been like on the break of this right here, 22,226. Ride it out, would have been up like 22 points right now. Maybe ride it out to the zone. What is that? Oh, that's a nice 50-point play. Drawdown. What the drawdown would have been. You could have had it like at a 209. Oh yeah, you could have had it on the break under 200 even for 20 points for 50. But anyways, let's get rid of these. Actually, I'm gonna screenshot this to send it to them. Then I'll delete these. Delete, hide these indicators. Let's go to the 4-hour. Let's go to the weekly. Let's see how it performed. Very little movement. Oh, that's this. This is today, huh? Yeah, okay. So this is last week's. Yeah, there we go. Definitely some movement there. So we opened 21,463, closed 22,196. It's a 733-point move to the upside. High and low, not much different. 22,225, 21,418, about 807 points of potential swinging, so or ranging. So pretty crazy there. Let's go to the 4-hour now. See if we're gonna still ride out these levels. Look at that. Boom, beautiful. Still, we got to add our own levels now. Is there a level worth adding here? I see 3 touches. You can see this candle. What the hell? This candle a touch, this candle, and this candle. You can see it kind of touch down here. Almost 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So that 2200. Yeah, that 22,200 is a good level. I wouldn't mind that for a bounce. Let's change it to green for bouncy. I like that for a bounce. Everything else, I'm probably going to keep the same. Let's see, is there something better right here? 21,890 opposed to 870 for a bounce. I do like this bounce right here a little better. 21,890. That's about it for NQ. Let's go into ES now. ES. Let's go to the weekly. 1 week. Look at that on the weekly, just bouncing right up to the levels too. 61.47 level I have. All right, let's see this last week. Wow. Right at the open, pretty much ripped up. Geez, that's insane. Open 60.16, closed 61.32, 126-point move, which is about a $12.60 move on SPY, relatively close to that. And then high and low 6146 and 014, about 132 points there differential as far as the range goes. Not too bad. Let's get into the 4-hour for some levels. And look at those beautiful levels. Respected still. Just looking at it right now is super quick. It looks like we're just going to keep the same levels. Look at that. That 61.47 holding up very, very strong. These bounce plays, probably could move this a bit. Like right there, I like it. There's only 2 touches right here. Why do I have this? Is it touch somewhere else? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's still decent for about 60-18-ish area. This 60-90. What am I touching here that I like? I see it touching right there. 1, 2. It's touching on the open of that candle. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the 60-90 is still pretty nice. Then the 61-19 I like. Yeah, I'm going to probably keep these levels the same for ES, so that's nice. And we're done here with the charting, boys. That's pretty much how she performed. Let's get it. All right, boys, so that'll do it for the charting. Now, as far as the plan goes, tomorrow I should be getting like a $5,000 payout from my work. I call it a payout, but yeah, like $5,000 check for the last 2 weeks of work. So what I plan on doing with that is I want to put $1,500 into my Tradovate. I already have a live trade account set up. It has about $90 in it. I did live trading last year sometime and lost it. It went down to 90 and just left that in there. So I'm going to bring that up to $1,500 even. We're going to trade with that. And I'm thinking, just because I know it's real money, I should be able to trade it and go real lightly and be happy with any profits. And if I lose, it'll be a little bit of loss. So what I'm thinking right now is, I know they say you don't want to risk over 1% generally, but it'll be a $1,500 amount. So we'll start off pretty high percentage wise, and then as we increase it, go slower. So I'm thinking, or go lower with the percentages. So I'm thinking from 1,500 to 5K we use, I'm thinking 8% risk. I like 8%, so 8% on 150 would be, I believe, 120. So $120 risk. So we'd be able to hop in on, I'm thinking, 3 MNQs for a 20-point stop loss, which would be exactly $120. And then on ES, we could do 2 ES with a 12-point stop loss. No, 3 MES. I'll do 3 MES for an 8-point stop loss. That's way better. So 15 and 8 is 120. Yeah, so we'll do that. $15 per point. That's, hey, that's not bad. You catch a good trade, I can make, $150 to $500 potentially on how we manage the trade and able to watch it and all that. So I mean, the way I look at it, 1,500 will ride it up to 5K, and in this range from 1,500 to 5K, if I'm even making a couple $100 extra a week, I mean, that's great. I don't think I'll be paying myself out from it just yet, unless we have some really, really big days. We'll see how it looks like every Friday, and maybe I pull some out for, my family, like take them out to dinner, or maybe some spending on myself I'd like to do. We'll see, how it goes slowly, but starting off, yeah, that'll be the goal. 1,500 into there, and then I'm still gonna have my monthly budget towards trading, so I'm gonna throw money into that. I'll probably put the money I wanted to do towards trading monthly and crypto directly into that the next couple of months, and kind of treat it like a savings and an investing account, where I'm like slowly doing little trades on it and slowly building it up. And then ideally we hit the 10K mark by April. 10K, with 10K we're risking, I'd probably risk 2.5% a trade, 250 a trade. That would be pretty nice. You could do, I could do, yeah, from there, we'll scale it as we get there. But for now, that'll be the move. That's what we're gonna do, and that's what I think. Let me know what you guys think about that. Like, comment, subscribe. Love y'all. Happy President's Day. Shout out Daddy Trump, Papa Trump, Uncle Trump, Theo Trump, Uncle G Trump. But yeah, other than that, that's it. We're just picking up here in Turlock, and I'm gonna got a basketball game at 9 o'clock I got invited to, so let's see if I could get there and play in that. That'd be great. And Other than that, yeah, I love y'all boys. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe.